Why is my brand new unit making this clicking noise? I had a brand new Goodman AC unit installed today with packaged furnace. There is a constant clicking noise that has me worried. I asked them to send a technician since it comes with 1-year labor warranty and 10 years for the unit. In the meantime, I'm open to any tips and suggestions on what to do. Question from user TikTok.knock at HVAC advice at Reddit. Answer. Loose wire nut on the control voltage. Answer from user float like a brick at HVAC advice at Reddit.